Hi everyone, I got my modern quilters box today. 2 boxes in a row, a bit exciting. Okay. Ooh, I love this green tissue paper. It's just so bright and chirpy and tough. There we go. Okay, what have we got in our box today? Okay, the first thing is water lily, a pattern. Looks cute. I think it's half square triangles. Oh, guess what I can see? Sarah Watts, Ruby Star Society, the octopus tin. I've got some of these tins ordered and coming, so there'll be some more in my shop soon. Ooh, very cute little candy. Oh, it's a coffee candy. That might be going to the hubby. What's our sticker today? There is no passion to be found playing small in settling for a life that is less than the one that you are capable of living. Nelson Mandela. Very deep, but good sticker. Modern quilters box, and our tea is a super Irish breakfast, and it's green, of course. Ooh, look at this fabric. Oh, okay. There's an espresso candy as well. Okay, let's look at all of this fabric. And this is from, it's Nuncia by Pat Bravo. And look at some of these colours. They are beautiful. That one's gorgeous, that lovely teal colour. Nice pop of pink, very deep pink. Oh, this one's got little tiger faces in it. That's cute. Good background blender, some black and creams. Mustard, that looks good. Wow, this one looks awesome. Look at this colour. Yeah, I'll show you. That is fantastic. And another in the teal colourway. That's beautiful. That's going to be interesting. I'm looking forward to seeing what I can do with that. Let's have a look at the pattern that they've popped in here. Jeweled Facets by Kari Jewel. That one looks fantastic. Ooh, what's this bit? This might be the pattern pieces. Ah, these are the paper piecing pattern pieces to go with the pattern. That's fantastic to be able to have a go. And the sampler block for this month is, I just call it the sampler block 8, but it looks like a nice simple one, but lovely in rainbow colours. That's fantastic. Wow, awesome box. Can't wait to have a play with this fabric.